And now, I would like to invite my colleague from Hnit-Baltic, Augustinas Daugilis, with a presentation, Effective Asset Management and Investment Planning for Network Operators. So, the stage is yours.
Hello, everyone. I'm here. You already seen me. And I was thinking how to make it and how to say it. And I thought that the first thing which I would like to say for everyone.
Last but not least, I want to thank me.
And you know why? It's because I have a possibility to introduce our solutions, our systems here in this big conference. And I believe that it can be useful for you to use it, or maybe give for you the idea what you can do more with ArcGIS. So I am from company Hnit-Baltic. I'm a sales project manager for utilities, and we're based in Lithuania. All of you already know that it is our colleagues in Biotech in Latvia, also our colleagues Alpha GIS in Estonia, and we are working together. So I will not go very deep into that, and I would like to talk more about the unique solution which we have created. About which we was thinking lots of years, and we was looking at other asset management systems which are tabular, where usually you are getting information about your asset in tabular, let's say, in tabular view, and you know what the asset it is, you know what has been there done, or what should be done, but you do not know maybe usually how to reach it and how to find it and where it is. So we was thinking a lot, and we started to create a solution which is based on ArcGIS for those tasks, for inspections, for repairs, and other tasks managing in ArcGIS. For efficient navigation into it, for efficient repairing of it, for efficient changing information with field crews and also office crews. This solution calls InMap. It's quite new, but we already have some customers. One of them will be presenting their experiences today, later on in the session. From what it consists? It consists of two parts. One of the parts, it is assets registry, network data management. So it means that we have in ArcGIS, and all of you have the network data, which is in ArcGIS. And we are using ArcGIS utility network data model to collect this data about assets. But this data, it's not enough, and this data should work for us and should give for us a value. So the solution for managing those assets is creating on ArcGIS portal environment, and it uses web and also mobile environments. So one of this part, it is asset registry, which is based on ArcGIS Pro, and most of you are really familiar for that and what we're doing there. As I said, we're using ArcGIS utility network data model for assets registry, ArcGIS Pro environment, the newest environment of ArcGIS, to collect this data and to work with it, to edit it. Also powerful tools of ArcGIS Pro to analyze the data which we have entered, which we have collected, and which we have using every day. Schematic views of network, which is really useful, and I have heard those days, yesterday, today, from some utility companies that they would like to have it, they would like to use it, and I know that quite a lot of, not quite a lot of, but I know some companies which are already using it in a long time, but it is now part of ArcGIS Pro. Network tracing, which gives the possibilities to use your network for customers, informating, for quick reports of the assets in the network and other data. And also the possibilities of create 3D or BIM network, and also all those objects integrate into one system. And many more, so I will not go very deep into that, but I would like to talk more about our solution for those data managing. As I mentioned before, there is two parts of that. It works on web and also mobile environments. And the data which is collected in RGS system is represented in all the environments at the same time and the same data. So you can trust this data and you can feel quite confident that it is actual and also data which is giving, which is real, which you are using outside, let's say, in the fields. The in-map solution covers the whole process of asset management from assigning a work order for your workers in the field to inspect assets, also to maintain the information about that which you have collected in the field, manage repairs, incident liquidation and also registering of that, and asset installation and replacements to particular workers. So it means that we're assigning works and we're assigning the tasks, not we're assigning for a particular worker, and he sees only his works which is needed. So he do not see additional information which is not interesting to him. In mobile environment, where is the biggest value? So the biggest value is that we can see, for me, assign the tasks in particular area, and we can choose each task by another and navigate to them. Navigate to them not by address, not by some coordinate, but navigate to them by exactly location where it is. We can use third-party navigation systems, or we can use RGS navigation, RGS Navigator application. At the place, directly we can make remarks. We can add additional visual information like photos, videos, or documentation, which, after confirming the task, directly is transferred to our managers in the office, so they can react quite quickly to start another task, or they can see that everything is okay, and they can, let's say, manage or look for operation information and manage the crews. So in office side, we are using operational awareness, monitor status of assignments, analyze team availability functionalities which are standard in RGS portal system. And this is incorporated into the asset management system, and I used airtime. I used for each manager. Real-time cost analysis, if we have this data, or integrating it from other systems. Also, the possibilities to sort data and extract it into other formats. If we're talking about the extracting data, reports, which is crucial for each company, and each company needs reports, so it's lots of possibilities to get different reports, which are standard as a system reports, but each of them can be configured by the company's needs. Also, it is possibility to filter data, and depends on data we have, we can filter quite a lot of information in different ways. Also export data in different standard CSV or XLS formats. One of the biggest innovations here maybe, or efficient works in this system, so it is communication with customers. Each utility company needs that. Each utility company get value for that, and the reason of their, let's say, services provided, it is that customers should be happy. So customers should be informed about outages, customers should be informed about some planned works, customers should be informed about something else, what is happening in the network. And here we have two possibilities to make it, not two, maybe too free, but technologically we can do it in different ways. We are informing customers, and we already have some customers, our customers who are using the systems. We're informing their customers by email and SMS messages. It is possible to give information through the outages map, who is live and published in the organization website. It is possible for customer to register outages or some problem or accident through the internet form, which is incorporated into company's website. And all those possibilities gives lots of efficient work for the company because the information is coming quite quick. We do not need to spend lots of time to talking by phone, and customers are coming and sees what is happening, or if something happens, they are getting direct messages. Another way, it can be automated, so it means that we can trace the network. It depends on the quality of data which company has. And if we're talking about the tracing, so then system automatically collects the data of the customers in the whole network from the part where accident has happened or from the part where we have closed the network. And this information coming back into the some form which can be delivered directly from ArcGIS site for customers via SMS, or it can be, let's say, delivered into another system which is sending those SMSs, like, let's say, like billing or others. What is new and what is very important, so it means that we have also tracing possibility in the field using ArcGIS standard field maps application. And here workers can directly, when they are in the field, find the valves which should be closed, and directly can see which customers will be disconnected from the network, from the services. So in that case, we do not need to ask someone, please send me a network, send me a picture or something where I should close the valve. He can do it directly in the outside. Integrations with customers' care systems. Also, it is possible to integrate a warehouse system if you have such, or then you will be able to calculate the cost of the repair works. Also, as I said before, it is 3D and BIM integration, and which can be represented in different ways also in web and mobile applications. Other integrations which are crucial, like SCADA, which helping for dispatchers to localize the accidents which already happened, maybe not happened, but you can see information directly there and you can work there more efficient. So, in-map system covers the whole asset management process, which covers planning, navigation to the asset, update information in the field, monitor workforce, monitor the status of the network, and also communication with different departments in the companies and also with the customers. All this is in map, new solution which we are offering, and I'm inviting you, if you will have some time today, to visit my colleague Svajonas in the booth. And thank you for your patience, for I believe useful information, and let's talk if you have more questions later on or maybe now.
So audience, thank you. Maybe someone in the audience would like to ask something, because we are really shy, so sometimes we are just writing in a Slido. So we have one comment. Thank you, Augustinas, great job. So,
that's it?
No, one question. Also one question. Artificial intelligence and in-map solution?
I believe it's possible. The main thing, it should be possible. For now, you know, artificial intelligence is a very interesting thing. We can use it. But the thing it is on our data quality. If we have good quality data, then we can use a lot of other things, which is automating the processes. But if data quality is lower one, so we need to work hard by hand to collect this data, to have it. And then, yes, artificial intelligence always can be enabled there. It depends on what problem you are solving.
So, thank you. More questions? Okay.
Okay,
I
thank
think
you.
everything was clear. Very good presentation. Thank you.
As always.